Are you hearing strange noises or noticing poor airflow from your HVAC system? These could be signs that your Lennox 60L21 blower motor needs replacement. In today's video, we'll cover the top 5 signs to look out for, helping you avoid costly repairs and keep your home comfortable. First, listen for unusual noises. Grinding, squeaking, or rattling sounds can mean that the blower motor bearings are worn out. The engine may soon fail. Next, check for poor airflow. If some rooms are cooler or warmer than others, or the air from your vents is weak, a failing blower motor could be to blame. Another sign is higher energy bills. If your blower motor is struggling, it might be working harder than necessary, causing a spike in your energy costs. Also, watch for frequent cycling on and off. If your HVAC system turns on and off more often than usual, the blower motor might be overheating or having trouble maintaining airflow. Lastly, be alert for a burning smell. This could indicate an overheating motor or electrical issue, a serious safety hazard. If you notice any of these signs, it's crucial to act quickly. Contact a certified HVAC technician to inspect your system and, if needed, replace the blower motor.